Hey guys, this is Life with a reminder again. Happy Monday guys! But gusto ko lang mag-remind na ibigay mo ang lahat ng best mo sa mga trabaho mo. Ma-promote ka man o hindi, as long as you give your best, it doesn't matter anymore. Hindi mo pagsisisihan yan in the future. Kasi at the end of the day, it's not the other people na makukuha yung mga ganun na bagay, but you yourself, the experience, the knowledge, and also, kung kaya mong i-strive lahat ng yun, kung kaya mo accomplish lahat ng yun, kakaya mo din in the future. Kasi, train ka na mold ka na maayos. Kahit man sometimes hindi natin nakukuha yung mga para sa atin talaga, yung mga perks, ganoon, salary increase, promotion, and all. It doesn't matter anymore. As long as you give your best. Yes. In God's perfect time, meron din mga companies na deserve sa'yo, and when you're able, and kung kaya mo na talagang mag-let go sa present mo na company or what, pwede ka mag-apply to other people, to other companies. Ang pinaka-advantage doon is marami ka ng knowledge, marami ka ng expertise, tapos pwede mo yung gamitin na I'm good at this, ganun. So, experience really matters. Tapos, make sure lang na ginawa mo yung lahat. Tapos, hindi ka masyadong overwhelmed doon sa negativity na sinasabi ng, ay, bakit ginagawa mo naman lahat pero wala ka namang promotion, hindi ka naman promoted and all. It doesn't matter anymore. Kasi meron talagang ganun. Kasi, ang dami kasing competition talaga din sa mga corporate setup na companies. Kaya, normal yun na sometimes hindi ka na-appreciate or hindi nakikita yung effort mo. But, again, at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin sa'yo pa rin yung skills. Kung i-learn mo siya or kaya mong gawin, gano'n. Kaya wag kang manghinayang kung hindi ka na-promote or what. Manghinayang ka kung wala kang ginagawa, staying in that company, tapos wala kang na-contribute man lang and all. Yun. Kaya, keep going and keep growing, keep learning. Because at the end of the day, sa'yo yan. Yes, sa'yo yan. Walang makukuha yan sa'yo because the position, marami yan. Pero yung expertise and skills, actually, alam niyo ba, yung expertise talaga or skills ng isang tao is really matters a lot. Hindi yung credentials, hindi yung position, but the skills, yung talaga yung magmamatter. Yun lang naman yung gusto kong i-remind today because it's Monday. Thank you guys and love. Like for the reminder again. Yeah, God bless everyone. Peace.